Okay, and now we are working on the practice test, the sample test for Chapter 5 for Math 20. Let's get started. All right, use the tables in the chapter. That's your conversion chart that I'm giving you on the back of your schedule. Show your work. It is expected that you use conversion factors. Well, no, I'm going to be fine. I want you to use what we've been learning with the little big giant fraction thing. Unless it's a metric conversion and you're using the chart. Okay, we will use the chart for metric conversions. Please circle your answer and state the units. Don't forget you must state the units. You must circle your answer. And I'm writing in black. How gross. Okay, there we go. I like purple. Round all answers to the nearest tenth. Okay, 1 decimal place. 8 yards to feet. Well, 8 yards. I know in 1 yard I have 3 feet. So I can cross off the yards. I have 24 feet. All right, 450 meters. 2 kilometers. Okay, remember we had meters. Decameters, hectometers, and kilometers. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 0.45 kilometers. There we go. 2 miles to yards. Okay, so 2 miles. 2 miles. All right, U.S. Let's see. All right. On the chart, I have acres, I have square feet, and square yards, and square inches and square feet. We're not doing that. Oh, I'm sorry, there it is. 1 mile is 5,280 feet. It's up at the total top of your thing. Okay, so 1 mile, 5,280 feet. But it says to yards, so I do know that there are 3 feet in 1 yard. Okay, so I can cross off my feet, I can cross off miles. I end up with 2 times 5,280. Yeah, I know. My calculator. 2 times 5,280, then divided by 3. 3,520. Okay, there we go. All right, number 4, 400 centiliters to milliliters. Well, remember in our chart we had liters, deciliters, centiliters, and milliliters. So we're going from centiliters to milliliters, so that's only 1. So 400 centiliters is going to be 4,000 milliliters. All right. 600 milligrams to grams. So we had grams, decigrams, centigrams, and milligrams. So we go 1, 2, 3 units. So we go 1, 2, 3. So the answer is going to be 0.6 grams. Okay. Square meters to square centimeters. We do have that conversion. Square centimeters to, whoops, what are we doing? centimeters to meters. Square meters to centimeters. Okay, 1 square meter is worth 100 square decimeters. Okay, so we have meters, decimeters, and centimeters. We're going from meters to centimeters, but each of these are actually doubled because it's squared, right? Square meters. So if I have interesting, I don't have a number of square meters. Let's just say 2. Okay, so if I have 2 square meters, 2 square meters, I know that in 1 meter I have 100 decimeters. And in 1 decimeter I have 100 centimeters. So really it's going to be 200 to 20,000. Okay, so just you can do that by multiplying these all together. So I have 20,000. I was right. Okay. Square centimeters. All right, 3 acres. Sorry, acres to square feet. We have acres and square feet. So 3 acres square feet. 1 acre is 43,560 square feet. So we have 3 times 43,000 times 43,520. And we get 130,560 square feet. That's a lot of square feet. Okay. Number 7. Number 8. 576 square inches. We want to convert that to square feet. We know that in 1 square foot, we have 144 square inches. So this is going to be 576 divided by 144. So that's 4 square feet. Okay. Now we're going to look at number 9. 5 liters to milliliters. Okay, so we have liters, deciliters, centiliters, and milliliters. So we're going 1, 2, 3. So we have 1, 2, 3. 5,000 milliliters. So 5 liters is 5,000 milliliters. 4 miles, 2 kilometers. Well, we had meters. Oh, sorry, we're going to have to convert. Okay, let's first convert the miles. Okay, so we have 1 mile is 4 miles. So let's see, 1 mile is 1.6093 kilometers. Okay, so we multiply those. Wait. All right, now we have a certain number of kilometers. Now, oh, that's all we needed. Never mind. Okay, 4 times 1.6093. We have 6.4 kilometers. Okay, 5 liters to quarts. 1 liter is, okay, so 5 liters. And 1 liter has 1.06 quarts QT, sorry. And that's going to leave us with quarts, so we have 5, oh, it should be 5.3. 5, yep, 5.3 quarts. Okay, 90 degrees F, 2 degrees centigrade. All right, so we want that centigrade is equal to, okay, this is on your chart as well. Centigrade is equal to 5/9 times F, which in this case was 90, minus 32. All right, this is 5/9. 90 minus 32 is 58. Okay, so now we have 5 times 58 divide 9. Yeah, 32.22222222 forever. So we're going to round it to 1 decimal place, 32.2. And what is it? C. 32.2 C. Degrees C. There we go. Okay. 50 degrees Celsius to Fahrenheit. So F is 9/5 of C, which in this case was 50, plus 32. Okay, so 50 is 5 times 10, so the 5s are going to cross off. That's going to leave me with 90 plus 32, which is 122. Okay, so 50 degrees Celsius is 122 degrees Fahrenheit. All right. Oh, I didn't do that. Degrees Fahrenheit. There we go. Did I box my last one? I did, okay. How many liters are there in 1 gallon jug of apple cider? So I have 1 gallon, and it's in 1 gallon, I have 3.785 liters. So that's my answer, 3.7. Let's just make it 3.8, rounding to 1 decimal. Oops, and we gotta have the liters in there. Okay, I'm going to erase that just because it did not look good. It was pretty ugly, actually. All right, so we have 3.8 liters. Better. All right, now we're on 15. Change 369 yards into inches. We know that in 1 yard, we have 36 inches. So 369 times 36, we have 13284. So 13,800, no, 208. 284 inches. Okay, 16. A new shopping center is to be constructed on 256 acres of land. How many square miles is this? Okay, so 256 acres. And our chart gives us acres to square miles, so that'll be easy. All right, so 1 acre. Okay, nope, that's not what they're giving me. Okay, they have that 640 acres is 1 square mile. So if I take 256 and I divide it by 640, I get 0.4 square miles. I do like the 0 ahead. Square miles. And a box. There we go. All right. 17. How many 5 milliliter test tubes filled with water will it take to fill a 1 liter container? Okay. We have to convert the 5 milliliters to liters. We don't do it this way, do we? We do the shifting of the decimal point. So we had liters, deciliters, centiliters, milliliters. 1, 2, 3. So it's 1, 2, 3 decimal places. So that is how many liters in one of these test tubes. So we take 1 liter and we divide it by how much water in each test tube, and that's going to give me how many test tubes it takes. 200. All right, now I've got number 18. Change 4 hours, and 40 minutes to minutes. Okay, so 4 hours times 60 gives me how many minutes in 4 hours, and I'm going to add 40 minutes. Okay, so this is 240 plus 40, which is 280 minutes. Now to change it to hours, it's going to be 4 plus the 40 divided by 60, because it's 40 60ths. 1 minute is 1/60th, so if we have 40 minutes, we have 40 60ths. So I put that in my calculator. 4 plus, well, actually, isn't it 4 divided 6 because of the zeros? And we have 4.666666, whatever. 4 point, well, it said 1 decimal place. Hours. There we go. All right, number 19. Add 8 feet 10 inches and 13 feet 6 inches. Okay, so we're going to turn this into, all right, so I have 8 feet plus 13 feet and 10 inches plus 6 inches. So 8 feet and 13 feet gives me 21 feet, 16 inches, but that's more than a foot. So this is actually 1 foot and 4 inches, 16 minus 12. So I'm going to take this 1 and add it to the 21. So my answer is going to be 22 feet 4 inches. Okay, now we're doing it with time. Subtract 3 hours from, so that's not the first one. So it's 5 hours and 23 minutes from 3 hours and 45 minutes. Well, I can't subtract 45 from 23, so I'm going to borrow an hour from that. 4 hours, and then I add 60 to the 23, so I have 4 hours and 83 minutes. I'm going to subtract 3 hours and 45 minutes. Okay, so 45 minutes, 40 would have given me 43. This is going to be 38. So I have 38 minutes, and I have 1 hour. Okay, so it's 1 hour, 36 minutes. All right, and we are done. Okay, Practice, practice, practice. That's how you're going to do well on the test. All right, we will see you on the test day. Bye.